In this video, I will show you how to send Google Calendar invite in Gmail. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So for example, this is my Google Calendar and I will just go to the selected dates. For example, it's on 12th June. So I will just click on 12th June here. So right now I am on my 12th June and the event is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. right? So I will just select the time. And once you can see this, I will get a new pop-up option here. So this is an event, right? You can just select if this is a task, then you can also do it. If this is an appointment schedule, if you want to do it, you can also select that. So for now, I will just select the event, right? Now here, if you see, you will get an option to add guests, right? So here, once I click on here, I have to add that person email address, right? So basically that person Gmail address. So here I will just add that person, Gmail address. For example, here it is, and once I add, I will just click on enter, right? If you want to add more accounts or more person, if you want to send that invite, you can just paste their email address here and automatically they will get the invite. Now what you have to do it, once you've added their email address here, you can see if you want them to get over Google Meet, you can also select that. Basically this is a guest permission. So sometimes some of the accounts have their private Google Calendar, so they will not get any notification. So make sure you see there should be a check mark, see guest list, right? And here if you just want them to give the permission that they can modify this event, just you can just tick on this, but I will not allow this. And here make sure there's a tick mark below here. Now once everything, you can just add location, which location you are doing, and this is some of the extra information, each and everything. You can add description, attachments and everything, right? So these are the extra information. So now after filling each and everything, I will just click on save. So once I click on save, would you like to send invitation email to Google Calendar guests, right? It will ask you once again. So I will just click on send and it is now sent, right? So just to verify, I will just go to my different email address to where I have sent. As you can see here, that invitation from unknown sender, because my account was private, and as you can see here, but still I got this invitation because I shown you that you should make sure that there should be a check on the list, right? So as you can see here that I've got this invitation and this is 100% true. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.